It is safe to try this at home, but do it outside. No, just don't try this at home. And round 2. Holy sh... Die. And they give you useless shit. After I destroy it. Bye, Nintendo. Hi, welcome to Smashing Stuff. I'm your host, as always, Cardinal Process 166, and today we're going to be smashing this. Toyota speaks Toyota quality, too. This clock f***ing sucks. And it doesn't work. That's why I'm going to be destroying it. Ouch. Ew. Trying to break it open. Not hurt myself, but yeah. Anyway. Good idea, bad idea, bad idea. I hurt myself during this episode. No, not a good idea. Don't try this at home. Look at this. Do you think you should be trying this at home? No, I didn't think so. That just about does it for this episode of Smashin Stuff. I'm your host, as always, Cardinal Process 766, and I hope to see you next time.